So something to keep be mindful of when looking at using the lockjaw ladder grip, or before buying a lockjaw ladder grip, is, and I've mentioned it previously, that you need to have a situation where you would normally use a ladder against guttering on your premises or your building. So obviously if the guttering's falling off, and you would never look at putting a gutter against it, this product isn't going to solve that problem. But for everyone else who has robust guttering that does its job, and they would normally put a ladder up against the guttering, then this obviously adds greatly to the safety there. The other issue that you can find is some particularly large ladders, particularly the large fiberglass ladders. It's not so much the width of the ladder, but it's the height that they sit up off the gutter, particularly when they're a 3-tier or a 4-tier extension ladder. Because of that extended height up off the ladder, the bar on the product just won't wind up high enough to locate around that height and that rail. So just a couple of things to keep in mind prior to purchasing the product.